Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today in this video we'll be reviewing TryMyUI.com, which is a website that pays user for testing out apps and websites. So in this video we'll be testing out whether it's useful or not, and mainly for people in India. So this is the website guys, it's TryMyUI.com. Link of this website will be in the description box below. So about this website, it is a very legit website that claims to pay users for honestly reviewing apps and websites. Um, like how it is, how the app is working, whether it's good or not. Just not telling about the advantages of the app, but also pointing out what is like very hard in that app or very hard in that website, navigating through the website and just telling out loud what you think about the website and all. So those kind of testing will be done here, and that is how you will be reviewing a app or a website. So for that you will be getting paid. In TryMyUI landing page itself, they would have given you the details that a client would actually need. Like a client can actually, pick up what test they want to do with their website or app, what kind of task they would like to see from the user, and what type of user they would like to, target upon, and the video of what the user actually did. So it's most probably like, like you can get it from the client information itself that they would like to get your videos also recorded along with the navigation. And for this user testing, most probably you'll be asked to have your webcam and mic to complete the task. And once you are logged in, you will be getting at least $10 per test, which will be around 20 to 25 minutes. From whatever research I have done, it's around 20 to 25 minutes of test, which will be most probably navigating the website and testing out the app or the product that they are giving you. Most probably it will be a website or an app. And then from that, like you can make recurring amount of money from how much ever best standard reviews that you're giving upon. So it depends upon your reputation level. And there is no limit for you to attend number of tests in this website. You can attend any number of tests that you want, and it totally depends upon how much time you have. So you don't have any limits to that. And you don't have any kind of threshold in this website as far as I know. This company pays you through PayPal every week, weekly one. So how much ever you have earned every week, it will be transferred directly to your PayPal account. As I have told you earlier, I'll be telling you one important information in the second part of the video, and before that make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now about the important information, this website is, I'm sorry, this website is not available in our country, India. So if you are from India, this is not for us guys. You can try out other websites that are available in India, which will be in the description box below, or it will be in the cards above now. So you can check out those video links, and you can try those websites for user testing jobs online. So on screen, those are the important things that you have to follow while you are doing all the tests. So it's like reading out whatever instructions you are seeing on screen, and you should read out your like loud your mind, and you should be right in the center of the frame while you're recording your video. And also you should complete all tasks in order, and also you should follow all the instructions that the client would have given you for the task, and you should be following it perfectly. And also you should be you shouldn't leave any awkward silence in between. This is very usual guys, wherever you are going for user testing job, you will be doing this. This is like a standard information that is given by user testing jobs online. And most importantly, you shouldn't be just giving all the positive things about the website or app. It should be the important critical changes that they have to make in order to make the website or app user friendly. So you should be in that eye to note all the issues and problems, to comment on that. You should not always see the positive side of it. You should also be equally balancing upon all the positive and negative things. You should comment on all those things. So that is how people can actually improve. You should tell them what is like you are feeling hard, whatever you are feeling it like confusing, something like that. And also, last part of your survey will have a written comment about the review. It should be precise, just pointing out what you think about this website, and that's it. So this was the screen that I got. So guys, if you are from India, you can't join this website, so you can try out other websites, which will be given in my description box below, so you can follow the link and join those websites for user testing jobs. So yeah guys, that's all about the review. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and this website is definitely legit. And now my short review about this website. This website is definitely legit, and it's, the site is pretty good. It pays well. It will give you around $10 for your 15-minute work, 15 to 25 minutes, and you have consistent work, which means they are bringing up new clients frequently. And about the disadvantages of this website, you don't get your work easily qualified, because the clients are pretty high critic kind of, so you won't be getting easily the qualified work to finish it off, as far as I saw from reviews and my research. And also from the FAQ session, if you can see, you can also get to know that the website is actually asking you to download few special apps, to record your videos, and all the user testing to be done. You need to have their specified softwares in order to make that. And at the same time, as user testing, trying out the product is like the easiest work that you can do, so it's on high demand. So make sure you grab your place as soon as possible. And also, I'll be getting you more of this kind of website to make money online. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up and leave it in the comments below, so that I can make a lot of videos on this topic. So meet you all in the next video guys. Until then, bye and thank you.